Okay, the work order is a small contract between you and your customer. So there are two types of work orders that you can get signed by your customer. So there is a proof that they have delivered or picked up their device. So simply you can, from your job, you can go to work order, and here you can see that here you will get a work order for the job ongoing with your customer. This work order is for so this is the thermal work order, which will which you can give to your customers, and your customers can see their order number, their case number, and they can scan it to see your terms and conditions URL you will paste here, which will open when your customer scan this, and then they signs it. And when they pick up, they can again sign it. And for your if you have to give another work order to your technicians that they have to work on a job, you can just get the large work order for your technicians. And whenever you assign a technician in the job here, a work order is automatically sent to them. Just when you add a customer here, a work order will be emailed to them, and this is, you can also print it, and you can see there are no prices added and nothing like that. So technician just know that there are two devices this customer have, and this is the part name, this is their job detail, and these are the services included, so they can perform this task and get their job done. This is how you can give this work order to your customer technicians, and this work order you can get signed by your customer, so they agree with your terms and conditions. And this also works as a proof that you have given them their device pickup and delivery. And you see, I assigned myself as a technician in this job, and instantly I received a work order. A job is assigned to you. So this is the detail of the job I just received in email. The job, this is the customer name, a job have been assigned to you, and this is the PDF. If I open it, you can see the work order details here, that what is the work order details, and this is the online payment link. If this job have an online payment link, your technician can give this link to your customer, so customer can pay whenever it is required. And you can also collect the signatures automatically. For that purpose, you can just go to signature workflow, and you can say that when job is in quotation mode, I want to send them pickup signature request, and this is the signature body. And once customer signs, the job status changes to process, and when I change the job status to ready or completed, then this delivery signature sent to customer, and when customer signs, the job status change from ready or completed to delivered. So we will try this one also. I will change the job status to quotation, and I will see if as a customer I receive signature request. Once I receive the signature request, I will sign it, and this is, please sign the authorization, pick up your device, customer have. Sorry, just waiting for email, localhost is very slow. Okay, I have received the email that your job status is updated. This is the status update email, that my job status have been updated, and these are the details in my job. This is the invoice about my job, but the signature request I received separately here. Now please sign the authorization to pick up your device, so customer can sign it. And you can also see here in job history that pickup signature sent to SMS also, and on customer email as well. Now customer will go to this email address, this link, and customer will sign it, and you will see that this is the pickup signature, and similarly the delivery signature will work in similar way. Now customer signs it and submits the signature. Complete your signature requirement. Customer completes the signature requirement, and once it's successful, then job status should change to from quotation to in process. And customer will also receive email that and admin also receive email that a verified signature have been received. I'm also admin here in this system, and you can see I have received the signature, but it's still processing because it's sending some emails to customer, to admin, and these type of things. Done, signature is received. Now if we update refresh this job, you will see the job status have been changed from quotation to in process. And also a customer received email that I have job status is changed from in process, order status have been changed to in process. See, you can see here. And this is how delivery signature will also work. Whenever you change it to ready or complete, a delivery signature will be sent to customer with this details that customer have received the device. Once customer say I have received and signs, then the delivery will be completed. So this is how you automatically receive authorizations from customer. And if you want to print, then you can just use this default printing behavior. So let me know if you have some questions about work orders in repair jobs, so I can help you. One more thing, as you can see, there is device evaluation. I have done some evaluation about this device, that what is working, what is not working. You can change all these options, whatever you repair. If you repair cars, you can change this to related to cars, and you can print evaluation reports so you can get it signed by your customer. So there is no dispute before and after repair that their device, this one, these things are working, and after repair these things are working or not working. And you can just send it to customer's email by clicking this, and customer will receive an email about it. And here you will also see in this history that what is going on in the job, what is being sent to customer. Evaluation report is sent to customer that this is pre-repair evaluation for this device, this is pre-repair evaluation, this is post-repair evaluation. So customer knows everything what's going on in their devices, and this makes a lot of transparency and reduce complete disputes. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.